Hi everyone, good day. Welcome to the third session of Introduction in R Programming. Before we start, let's look at the learning outline for this session. Learning outline for this session is: number 1, we want to see the data frames and lists. Okay guys, before we go further to data frames and lists, you should know that dataset frequently consists of more than one column of the data, where each column represents measurement of a single variable. Each column represents measurement of a single variable, and each row represents single observation. This format is referred to case by variable format. Okay guys, most dataset are stored in R as data frames. So these are like matrices but with column having their own names. A data frame is one of the most commonly used data structure in R, especially for the data analysis, for the statistical modeling. It can be thought that as a table or spreadsheet where you have row representing observation, and column representing the variable. Data frame is similar like metric, but with the added flexibility that different column can contain different types of data, for example numeric, character or a factor. Okay, next I will demonstrating using R. So ready with the R, we want to create a data frame. So data frame can be created by using data.frame function. So just write this code under your console. Okay, I want to key in data that consists of column of name, name that is Ali, Abu, Ahmad. First column, second column I would like to store their age, and the third column consists of the score, for example. Alright, so if I enter this data and I call the data df, this will be the output of my data set. Alright, so you see that I am storing 1, 2, 3 observation that consists of their variable name, age and score. Okay, after we are having our data set, we can access the column in the data frame here using operator $operator or double square bracket. Okay, for example, if you want to extracting the name, I write here extracting name from the df dataset, I just call the name. Okay, so df my dataset $sign and my variable name, and enter. It will give you the first column of our dataset that consists of the name Ali, Abu and Ahmad. If you want to extract score, for example, extracting score from the df is our data set using double square bracket. Okay, so this is the command that you should type. Okay, this is the values. Okay, for row, it can be accessed using single bracket. So for example, I want to extracting the first row. Okay, I want to extract the first row, so the command is just using the single square bracket. So let's say I call my data df and I want to extract the first row. I type 1 in front of the square bracket and comma. Okay, so this is my first row. Extracting for the third row, just change the number with 3. Okay, In data frames, we able to subsetting our data frames using condition. For example, I want to extracting data that contain more than 90 their score. Okay, so I type this condition. Okay, and here is the output of my condition. You see that the score of the observation is more than 90. That is my condition. Okay guys, that's all for this slot. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.